To our chief meteorologist, Dan Cianca. Dan, that hurricane, we're not really feeling the impacts of it because it's out on the east, but, it's still something we're keeping an eye on.
Absolutely. Of course, it's caused a lot of damage already and still has some impacts for land-based areas like Bermuda. As we said, right now it's a Category 4 hurricane and headed north toward Bermuda. It's not expected to make a complete direct hit, meaning the eye is not expected to hit Bermuda, but it's actually going to be very close. So the island is unfortunately going to be in that right front quadrant. And what does that make that special? Well, when you already have 140 mile per hour or 130 mile per hour winds with a storm, you also add on the forward motion of the storm. So if it's moving at 20 miles per hour to the north or whatever it is, you're adding 20 miles per hour to those winds, basically. So areas where the wind is coming toward you, like on the east side of the storm, we call it the right front quadrant, we're looking at some strong winds. So Bermuda will take a major hit, it looks like, from Fiona, whereas the eye may not directly pass over the island itself. From there, Fiona will continue to move off to the north. It looks like it's going to head toward Nova Scotia and eventually Newfoundland in the maritime provinces of Canada, and obviously that'll cause some issues for folks there as well. On a lighter note, this right here, this is another tropical cyclone named Gaston. No one storms like Gaston, no one spins like Gaston, no one blows with hurricane force winds like Gaston, as the song goes, but that is not a danger to any land at the moment, so that is some good news. Let's take a live look from Domenico's on the wharf. We're looking sunny out there right now, just a few clouds, but other than that, it's been a pretty nice day. We had some rain right on the edge of the Monterey Peninsula early this morning. But the bulk of the rain that occurred today occurred in western Santa Cruz County, mostly west of Highway 9. We had a couple hundredths of an inch in Felton and Ben Lomond and Boulder Creek, up into Bonnie Doon as well. And then Davenport got 6/100ths of an inch this morning. So we did have some rain this morning, and a few more showers lingered up in far northwestern Santa Cruz County this afternoon. But we are dry right now. Temperatures around the bay, 60s to 70s, inland areas 70s to 80s. It's a pretty comfortable evening out there. The air is going to start to dry out, though, in the coming nights, and the skies will be clearer, and the nights will be longer. All of these things working together for some colder nights ahead. But at least for the next couple, I think we'll see some of the chillier nights. And then the overall air mass is going to warm up enough toward the weekend or through the weekend that I think the temperatures, even at night, are going to go back up a little bit. But some cooler nights ahead, just something to keep in mind if you head out, at 3 o'clock in the morning to walk the dog. I would never do that, but sometimes I do that. It's chilly. Here's that low pressure area spinning to the north. I want to point out here that you can see the drier air, this rustier color showing up, just starting to move into our viewing area. So as this low departs and brings its rain with it, we're expecting high pressure to build in from the southwest. That's eventually going to warm us up with temperatures peaking early next week, I think, for most locations. So as we head through the overnight hours, a little bit of fog still possible in our valley bottoms, especially where it is moist, where we have lakes, ponds, swamps, sloughs, things like that. So watch out for some ground fog tomorrow morning when you wake up. Otherwise, a mostly clear start to the day. And then during the afternoon tomorrow, lots of sunshine. We'll probably see just a couple of flat little cumulus clouds over the hills. And I could see also some low cloud cover trying to hang around on the peninsula, but not expecting a cloudy day by any means. Most areas, in fact, all areas will get sunshine tomorrow, and most areas will have almost wall-to-wall sunshine tomorrow. So temperatures will be heading up accordingly, and that's going to get us back into the 80s in the Santa Cruz Mountains, Scotts Valley, Felton, Ben Lomond, Boulder Creek tomorrow back in the 80s, Santa Cruz at 81, so pretty nice and warm on the north side of the bay. Highs above normal for this time of year after being a little bit on the cooler side recently. Watsonville back to 79 tomorrow. 77 in Salinas, 80s into our northern valleys and back toward the coast. At least on the southeast side of the bay, you're going to be a little bit cooler with wind coming in off of the water, as that breeze will keep you relatively moderated. 71 in Monterey tomorrow with upper 60s out to Pebble Beach and Pacific Grove. I tried to say PB. Nobody calls it that. PG, on the other hand. Yeah. And down south, the City of King, 86 tomorrow. The Field of Green, no one calls it that. 83 tomorrow, and then upper 70s in Carmel Valley. So a beautiful day out there. Very warm temperatures inland. Over the next 7 days, we'll even warm up a couple more degrees on the coast by the weekend. As I've been